Today we are going to discuss about nine standard integrals. In that nine standard integrals, objectives. Upon the completion of this topic, you will be able to integration by the method of partial fractions and evaluate the integrals of the type integration dx by a plus b cos x, comma integration dx by a plus b sin x and integration dx by a plus b sin x c cos x and partial fraction type px plus cube by ax square plus bx plus c dx. Tell me, already in last class I discussed this type of problems, but this type of problems are very important in exams, and also this is just typical to understand the student. So I'm repeating this topic once more. So sin x formula, tell me sin x value in terms of tan x by 2. Sin x equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Actually sin 2 theta formula 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So this is not sin 2 theta, this is just sin theta, that is just sin x. Sin x formula is 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Similarly, cos x formula, tell me cos x value in terms of tan x by 2. Cos 2 theta formula 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Therefore, cos x formula is 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Evaluate integration dx by a plus b sin x and integration dx by a plus b cos x. First method. Evaluate integration dx by a plus b sin x and integration dx by a plus b cos x. This integral is evaluated by taking the substitution of tan x by 2 equal to t. This integration is evaluated by taking t equal to tan x by 2. But in this question, we don't have any tan theta and tan forms and t forms. But use tan x by 2 and t. It will give the easy way. It will give easy answer. So sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Then that put tan x by 2 equal to t, it will give sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. So putting tan x by 2 t is, gives the very easy way and simple way. Cos x equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 is formula. Put in place of tan is t, that is cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t. 1 minus tan square x by 2 means 1 minus t square. 1 plus tan square x by 2 is 1 plus t square. Therefore, cos x formula is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square and sin x formula is 2t by 1 plus t square. Listen carefully. Sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. Cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. These two formulas we are using. And also, when tan x by 2 equal to t, differentiate both sides. Differentiate things both sides. So tan x by 2 derivative. Tan x derivative secant square x. Then tan x by 2 derivative is secant square x by 2, and this is not simple x, this is x by 2. Derivative one more time in x by 2. So x by 2 derivative is 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 into secant square x by 2 dx. So derivative of t is dt. So take out the 2 in. into right side, that is secant square x by 2 dx equal to 2 dt, and therefore dx equal to 2 dt by secant square x by 2. Secant square x by 2, we don't have, we convert the total equation into t formation, but secant square there is no t value. Write the secant square formula in terms of tan square. 2 dt by secant square x by 2 e formula is 1 plus tan square x by 2. Secant theta equal to 1 plus tan. Secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So therefore secant square x by 2 is 1 plus tan square x by 2. But tan x by 2 is t. So that is 2 dt by 1 plus t. It will give the 2 dt by 1. Put 1 in dx. So tan x by, apply tan x by 2 equal to t, that equal to dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. And formulas of sin x cos x is sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t square, or cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So dx equal to dt by 1 plus t square, sin x equal to and cos x equal to formulas are there. So apply these three formulas in different equation. Now integration dx by a plus b sin x. Apply the dx formula is equal to integration dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square by a plus b sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. What is the value of dx in previous? So dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square by a plus b sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. Simplify. In above equation 2 dt by 1 plus t square below, a do not have a 1 plus t square. So multiply a into 1 plus t square. A with 1 plus t square divided. A into 1 plus t square plus 2bt by 1 plus t square. In numerator 1 by t square, in denominator 1 by t square, cancel. So remaining is equal to integration 2 dt by a into 1 plus t square plus 2bt, and integration dx by a plus b cos x equal to, this is the integration dx by a plus b sin x formula is integration 2 dt by a into 1 plus t square 2bt, and remaining is integration dx by a plus b cos x formula is equal to integration 2 dt by 1 plus t square divided by a plus b cos x formula is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So multiply a with 1 plus t square and divide with 1 plus t square. So denominator of the denominator term have same terms 1 plus t square. So numerator 1 plus t square, denominator 1 plus t square cancel. So is equal to integration 2d by a into 1 plus t square plus 2b into 1 minus t square. Integration dx by a plus b cos x equal to integration 2 dt by a into 1 plus t square 2b into 1 plus t square. So integration a by dx by a plus b sin x and integration dx by a plus b cos x is nearly same, but only 2b in denominator term is just different. The 2b into t here in sin x to 2b into t, in cos x 2b into 1 minus t square. This integral can be evaluated by using standard formulas. Problem. Evaluate integration dx by 4 plus 5 cos x. Evaluate integration dx by 4 plus 5 cos x. This is the formation of integration dx by a plus b cos x method. So a plus b cos x means put t equal to tan x by 2. T equal to tan x by 2. Derivative differentiating the above equation, Tan x derivative is secant square x by 2 and x by 2 derivative is 1 by 2. So that is 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 dx equal to derivative dt. So take out 2 into right side. Secant square x by 2 dx equal to 2 dt. And secant square x is 1 plus tan square. Previous we observed that. Similarly, in previous, observe that dx equal to dt by 1 plus t square. In cos x equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2, that equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So apply the dx and cos x formulas. Therefore, integration dx by 4 plus pi cos x is equal to dx equal to apply the dx formula 2 dt by 1 plus t square numerator and denominator 4 plus pi into cos formula 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So denominator in multiply 1 in the denominator 1 plus t square into 4. So in numerator 2 dt by 1 plus t square, denominator 4 into 1 plus t square plus 5 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. In numerator 1 plus t square, denominator 1 plus t square cancel. It will give integration 2 dt by 4 into 1 plus t square plus 5 into 1 minus t square. Simplify this. In numerator 2 dt, denominator 4 into 1 is 4 plus 4 into t square is 4t square plus 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into minus t square is minus t square. So integration 2 dt by constant 4 plus 5 is 9 and 4t square minus 5t square is 4 minus 5 is minus 1 t square. So therefore it will give integration 2 dt by 9 minus t square. So take out 2 outside. Integration dt by denominator 9 is 3 square t square. Integration dt by a square minus x square formula. A square minus x square formula integration 1 by a square minus x square dx formula 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x plus c. So use that formula 2 into integration dt by 3 square minus t square is equal to 2 as is to 1 by 2a. Here a value is 3. So 1 by 2a, 1 by 2 into 3 is 1 by 6. Log a plus x by a minus x, that equal to a plus, here a equal to 3, x equal to log 3 plus t by 3 minus t plus c is equal to, simplify, 2 3 is 6, that is 1 by 3 log 3 plus t value is tan x by, applies t value tan x by 3 plus tan x by 2 by 3 minus tan x by 2 plus c. Answer is integration dx by 4 plus 5 cos x equal to 1 by 3 log 3 plus tan x by 2 by 3 minus tan x by 2. Evaluate integration dx by 1 plus sin x plus 4 cos x. This question has three formulas. Put this is method of integration dx by a plus b sin x plus a cos x plus b sin x plus c method. In this method also put t equal to tan x by 2. So therefore it will give dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Already we know sin x equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square and cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So apply that dx and sin x and cos x formulas in the question. So integrate, therefore integration dx by 1 plus sin x sin x plus 4 cos x. So therefore integration dx equal to dt by 1 plus t square by denominator 1 plus sin x formula is 2t by 1 plus t square plus cos x formula 4 into cos x 4 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. In numerator, what 1 by 1 plus t square in denominator 1 by 1 plus t square is same. So I want to do cancelling the numerator term denominator 1 plus t square, but 1 do not have a 1 plus t square. Multiply and divide with 1 plus t square. It will give 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square plus 2t by 1 plus t square 4 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t. Numerator 1 plus t square, denominator 1 plus t square cancel. So it will give 2 dt by 1 plus t square first term and second is 2t plus third is 4 into 1 is 4 minus 4 into t square is minus 4 t square. Integration 2 dt by 1 plus 4 is 5 t square minus 4 t square is minus 3 t square plus 2t is equal to integration 2 dt by 5 plus 2t minus 3t square is equal to 2 dt by take out 3 in outside in denominator term integration 2 dt by 3 into minus t square plus 2t by 3 plus 5 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 into integration dt by take out constant term outside dt by 5 by 3 minus t square minus 2t by 3 here. So observe that I am taking minus in outside in bracket minus into t square minus t square minus into minus plus 2t by 3. This is the problem. Okay, na? So constant is outside because I am converting this equation is a square minus x square away. So 5 by 3. 2 by 3 as is 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 into integration dt by 5 by 3 minus t square 2 into t into 1 by 3 and convert the in bracket terms as a minus b whole square formation. A minus b whole square have a formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. In that our bracket a square is t square a square is minus 2ab 2 into t into 2a b is 1 by 3. So in our bracket we don't have any b square. Add and subtract b square plus 9 1 by 9 b square in it means 1 by 3 square that is 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9. Take out minus 1 by 9 into outside minus in minus that will give plus 1 by 9. In our bracket t square minus 2 into t into 1 by 3 plus 1 minus a square minus 2ab plus 1 by 9 is b square a minus b o square formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that is 5 by 3 plus 1 by 9 last is equal to continuing 2 by 3 as is 2 by 3 into integration dt by 5 by 3 plus 1 by 9 minus t minus 1 by 3 whole square. 2 by 3 integration dt by 5 by 3 plus 1 by 9 that is 3 5s are 50. So 5 by 3 plus 1 by 9 is so 5 by 3 not having a 1 by 9 as denominator. So multiply and divide with 3. 5 into 3 is 15, 3 into 3 is 9. 15 by 3 plus 1 by 9 is Denominator same 9. 15 plus 1 is 16 by 9. 16 by 9 minus t minus 1 by 3 whole square. 16 by 2 by 3 as it is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into integration dt by 16 by 9 minus t minus 1 by 3 whole square. 16 by 9 minus t minus 1 by 3 whole square is equal to 2 by 3 into integration dt by 4 by 3 whole square minus t minus 1 by 3 whole square. 2 by 3 into integration dt by 4 by 3 whole square minus t minus 1 by 3 whole square is equal to 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 into 4 by 3. So dt by integration 2 by 3 into integration dt by 4 by 3. 16 by 9 is here, 16 by 9 is 16 is 4 square, 9 is 3 square. 4 by 3 whole square minus t minus 1 by 3 whole square, 2 by 3. So this is the formation of integration 1 by a square minus x square formula. So here a square is 4 by 3 square, x square is t minus 1 by 3 whole square, a square minus x square formula. Integration 1 by a square minus x square formula is 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x. 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus a, that equal to 2 by 3 into 1 by 2a, 2 into 4 by 3. 2 by 3 as is 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 into 2a, that is 2 into 4 by 3 log a plus x by a minus x. A plus x log a means 4 by 3 plus t minus 1 by a plus is 4 by 3 plus a minus 1 by t minus 1 by 3 by 4 by 3 minus t minus 1 by 3 a plus x by a minus x plus c. Simplify that. 2 cancel, numerator 2 denominator 2 cancel, 3 3 also cancel, numerator denominator pluses, and 4 as is 4 in log also simplify 3. 1 by 4 as is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 into log in numerator 4 plus 3t minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3t. In denominator 4 minus 3t plus 1, that is 5 plus 5 minus 3t. Denominator 3 and denominator 3 cancel. 1 by 4 log 3 plus 3t by 5 minus 3t plus c is equal to apply t value. 1 by 4 log 3 plus 3 tan x by 2 t value tan x by 2 by 5 minus 3 tan x by 2 plus c. Find integration dx by 4 plus sin x. So this is formation of integration 1 by a plus b sin x dx. So apply, put tan x by 2 equal to t, that equal dx equal to, we know dx equal to dt by 1 plus t square and sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. So apply the dx and sin x formulas. 4 plus 5 sin x is equal to 4 plus 5 into 2t by 1 plus t square. Sin x formula 2t by 1 plus t square. 4 into 1 plus t square plus 5 into 2 is 10t. 4 into 1 plus t square plus 10t by 1 plus t square denominator. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into t square is 4t square plus 10t. 4t square plus 10t plus 4 by 1 plus t square. Therefore, dx by 4 plus 5 cos x equal to integration dx by 4 plus 5 cos x 4 4 plus 5 we do 5 sin x equal to. So small mistake. Integration dx by 4 plus 5 sin x equal to integration 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Dx equal to dt by 1 plus t square. The denominator 4 plus 5 sin x is 4t square plus 10t plus 4 by 1 plus t square. Here 1 plus t square in denominator 1 plus t square cancel. So remaining is integration 2 dt by 4t square plus 10t plus 4. Take out in numerator 2 as outside and denominator t square have 4 as a coefficient. But we are converting the denominator term as a square minus x square or x square minus a square any formation. So in that formation t has only t has a quotient 1 only, not 4, not another. So we convert the quotient of t square is 1. So therefore, take out 4 outside in denominator term. Into the numerator 2 outside, denominator 4 outside. So take out 4 in outside from denominator. That is t square plus 10 by 4t plus 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is 1. 10 by 4 is 5 by 2t. So 2 by 4 outside. 2 by 4 therefore 2 by 4 into integration dt by t square plus 5 by 2t plus 1 1 by 2 2 2 twos are 4 that is 1 by 2 is equal to dt by t square as t square. So to converting to ab method, a, a plus b whole square method, a square plus 2ab plus b square, here a square is t square plus 2 into t into 5 by 4. So 5 by 4, 5 by 4 whole square. We need 5 by 4 whole square. Add and subtract 5 by 4 whole square. 5 by 5 whole square is 5 square is 25. 4 square is 16. Add and subtract 25 by 16 minus 25 by 16 plus 1. So 1 by 2 into integration dt by t square plus 2 into t into 5 by 4 plus 25 by 16 is t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 25 minus 25 plus 16 by 16, that is minus 9 by 16, that is 3 by 4 whole square. 1 by 2 into integration dt by t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 4 whole square, 3 by 4, that equal to 1 by 2 into integration 1 by x square minus a square formula. X square minus a square integration 1 by x square minus a square formula. 1 by 2a log x plus a by x minus say formula. So x minus a by x plus a, sorry. So integration 1 by x square minus a square formula equal to 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a. So in that, here x equal to t plus 5 by 2 whole t by plus 5 by 2, a equal to 3 by 4. So 1 by 2 as it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2a, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2a, 1 by 2 into a equal to 3 by 5, 1 by log a minus x by a plus x. A minus x means t plus 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4. X minus a. Here x equal to t plus 5 by 4. A equal to 3 by t plus 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4 by x plus a. T plus 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 3 into log, simplifying. I'm simplifying. 2 to the 4, that is 2 to also 1 numerator for denominator for cancel. So this 1 by 3 of log 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is 2 by 4, 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. T plus 1 by 2, in denominator is 4, 4 denominator. 5 plus 3 is 8 by 4 is 1 by 2. So 8 by 4 is just 4 to the 2, t plus 2. T plus 1 by 2 by t plus 2 plus c is equal to 1 by 3 log t equal to tan x by 2 plus 1 by 2 by tan x by 2 plus 2 plus c. Evaluate integration dx by 4 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 13. Evaluate integration dx by 4 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 13. And this is the formation of integration dx by a sin x plus b cos x plus 13. Then put tan x by 2 equal to t, that it will give dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square, cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. Here sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t square and cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So apply 4 sin x, 3 cos x and 13. 4 into sin x, 4 into 2t by 1 plus t square plus 3 into 1 minus t square by, so cos x is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus 13. The denominator is 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square. 13 do not have a multiply with 1 plus t square. So denominator is 1 plus t square. 4 into 2t is 80 plus 3 into 1 minus t square plus 13 into 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square. So 80 as is 80. 3 into 1 is 3 minus 3 into t square minus 3t square. 13 into 1 is 13 plus 13 into t square is 13t square. 13t square minus 3t square is 10t square. 80 as is 80. 3 plus 13 is 16. 10t square plus 80 plus 16 by 1 plus t square. Take out, so 4 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 13 equal to 10t square plus 80 plus 16 by 1 plus t square. So I equal to I means I equal to integration dx by 4 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 13 dx equal to integration dx formula 2 dt by 1 plus t square and 4 sin x 3 cos x plus 13 formula is 10t square plus 80 plus 16 by 1 plus t square. Numerator 1 plus t square, denominator 1 plus t square cancel. So 1 by 5 into, in numerator take out 2 outside and denominator take out 10 outside. 2 5s are, that is 1 by 5 into integration dt by, I'm taking 10 outside and denominator. So integration dt by t square plus 8 by 10, that is 2 5 the 2 4 the, that is 4 by 5t and 16 by 10, that is 2 5 the 2 8 the 16. T square plus 4 by 5t plus 8 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 into integration dt by, and converting the denominator equation is x square plus a square formation. So t square plus 2 into t into 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 whole square, add and subtract 2 by 5 whole square, that is 4 by 25. 4 by 25 minus 4 by 25. So t plus 2 by 5 whole square plus 8 by 5 minus 4 by 25. It will give wrong answer. Next, I am going to next method. Integration by the method of partial fraction. Next method. Integration by the method of partial fraction. When the integrand is of the form px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c, and it is possible to split ax square plus bx plus c into linear factors, then this method can be adopted. So evaluate integration 2x plus 3 by 3x square plus 14x minus 5 dx. Solution 2x plus 3 by 3x square minus plus 14x minus 5 equal to convert the denominator into factors. 2x plus 3 by 3x minus 1 into x plus 5. So if you have any doubt, multiply 3x minus 1 into x plus 5. 3x into x is 3x square. 3x into 5 is 15x minus 1 into x is minus 1x. 15x minus 1x is 14x. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. Typically left side. So, let 2x plus 3 by 3x minus 1 into x plus 5 is equal to a by 3x minus 1 plus b by x plus 5. 2x plus 3 equal to, so in denominator multiplying a into x plus 5 plus b cross multiplying a into x plus 5 plus b into 3x minus 5. So in denominator 3x minus 1 x plus 5 same, I'm cancelling LHS and RHS equation denominators, cancelling denominators of LHS and RHS equations. So therefore 2x plus 3 equal to a into x plus 5 plus b into 3x minus 1. So comparing coefficients 2 into a plus 3b. So x coefficients a into x plus b into 3x. So comparing x quotient 2 equal to a plus 3b and constant 3 equal to 5a minus b. Solving these two equations, it will give a equal 11 by 16 and b equal to 7 by 16. Hence, I equal to integration 2x plus 3 by 3x square plus 14x minus 5 dx equal to integration 11 by 16 by dx minus 11 by 16 into 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 16 into x plus 5 dx. So take out 16, 11 by 16 outside. 11 by 16 into integration dx by 3x minus 1 plus take out 7 by 16 outside. 7 by 16 into integration dx by x plus 5. So 11 by 16 into 1 by x formula log x, that is log 3x minus 1. Here x quotient is 3, denominator 3. That is 1 by 3 log 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 16 into 1 by x is log x, that is log x plus 5 plus c. 11 by 16 into 3 is 48. 11 by 48 log 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 16 into log x plus 5 plus c. Next question. Find integration dx by 1 plus x cube. We can write integration, we can write 1 plus x cube equal to 1 by 1 plus x into 1 minus x plus x square. Let 1 by 1 plus x into 1 minus x plus x square is equal to a by x, a by 1 plus x plus bx plus c by 1 minus x plus x square. So integration, find integration dx by 1 plus x cube. We can write 1 plus x cube form, a cube plus b cube formula, 1 plus x cube, 1 cube plus x cube formula, we can write 1 by 1 plus x cube. 1 cube plus x cube, a cube plus b cube formula is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, that is 1 by 1 plus x into 1 square minus 1 into x plus x square. Let 1 by 1 plus x into 1 minus x plus x square is equal to a by 1 plus x plus bx plus c by 1 minus x plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x into 1 minus x plus x square is equal to a by 1 plus x plus bx plus c by 1 plus 1 minus x plus x square. So 1 equal to a into, we are all know 1 minus x plus x square is irreducible factor. In irreducible factor, we are taking partial fraction as bx plus c. So 1 plus x is irreducible factor a by 1 plus x. Next place bx plus c is irreducible factor bx plus c by 1 minus x plus x square. So LCM it 1 by a into 1 minus x plus x square plus bx plus c into cross multiplying a into 1 minus x plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 plus x. Denominator is 1 plus x into 1 minus x plus x square. Denominators cancel. Though, therefore, 1 equal to a into 1 minus x plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 plus x. Putting x equal to 0 and 1 9 minus 1, solving we get a equal to 1 by 3, b equal to minus 1 by 3, c equal to 2 by 3. So solution. So I equal to integration dx by 1 plus x cube equal to a is 1 by 3 integration dx by 1 plus x plus, here b and c value also 1 by 3, take out overall 1 by 3 outside. Remaining is b is minus, c is, let's take out minus 1 by 3 into integration 1 by 3 into integration dx by 1 1 plus x dx by 1 plus x minus x minus 2 by 1 minus x plus x square dx is equal to 1 by 3 into integration dx by 1 plus x minus x minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 by 1 minus x plus x square dx is equal to 1 by 3 into integration dx by 1 plus x minus integration x minus 2 by 1 minus x plus x square dx plus 3 by 2 dx into 1 minus x plus x square. That is 1 by 3 into I1 minus I2 I3. Solving I1. Integration dx by 1 plus x is log 1 plus x. I2 equal to integration x minus 1 by 2 by 1 minus x plus x square dx. Putting d equal to 1 minus x plus x square. dt equal to minus 1 plus 2x dx. Therefore, dt by 2 equal to, dividing 2 with equation, dt by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2 plus x into dx. Therefore, I2 equal to dt by 2d. Therefore, I2 equal to x minus 1 by 2 dx equal to dt by 2, and 1 minus x plus x square is t, that is dt by 2 by t. That is, it will give I2 equal to integration dt by 2t, 1 by 2 outside, 1 by 2 integration dt by t, that is 1 by 2 log t. It will give 1 by 2 of log 1 minus x plus x square. And next I3, 3 by 2 dx by 1 minus x plus x square is equal to 3 by 2 into integration dx by, convert the denominator term a minus b whole square formation and constant form. So dx by x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. It will give 1 by integration 1 by x square plus a square formula. X square plus a square formula 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So 3 by 2 as is 3 by 2, 1 by a, that is 1 by root 3 by 2, that is equal to denominator comes into numerator, 2 by root 3 into tan inverse x by a. Here x equal to x minus 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 is equal to 2 cancel, root 3 into 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3, 1 root 3 cancel, root 3 is root 3 into tan inverse x into 2 2x minus 1 by 2 in denominator root 3 by 2, 2 cancel, 2x minus 1 by root 3. Substituting I1, I2, I3 in equation 1, we get I. And the seventh one, find integration 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1 dx. By actual division, we get 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1 is equal to 3x minus 2 plus 1 by plus 1 by x plus 1 is equal. Therefore, integration 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1 dx equal to 3x minus 2 plus 1 by x plus 1 dx is equal to 3 into integration x dx minus 2 into integration dx plus dx by x plus 1. So 3 into integration of x is x square by 2, 3 into x square by 2, minus 2 into integration of dx is 2x, plus log integration of dx by 1 x plus 1 is log x plus 1. 3 into x square by 2 minus 2x plus log x plus 1 plus c. Summary. In this session, we have learned integrating functions of the form 1 by a plus b sin x, 1 by a plus b cos x, 1 by a sin x plus b cos x plus c, and bx plus q by ax square plus bx by resolving into partial fractions. Is to evaluate integration dx by 3 plus 5 sin 2x. We put t equal to, in this question, we put t equal to tan x by 2. Questions asked in previous question, find integration 1 by 5 minus 3 cos x. This is a plus b cos x, or a plus, here b equal to minus 3, a plus b cos x dx. In this question, put dx equal to dt by 1 plus t square and cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t, and simplify. And second question also, a plus b sin x method, sin x dx equal to dt by 1 plus t square, sin x equal to dt by 1 plus t square. Third question and fourth were also same. And fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth are partial fractions question. Assignment. Evaluate integration 1 by 5 plus 4 sin x dx. Evaluate integration 1 by 5, 4 plus 5 cos x. Evaluate integration 1 by 5 minus 4 cos x dx. Evaluate integration 1 by 1 plus 8 sin x dx. And the 5 integration 1 by 1 plus sin x cos x dx. So, and partial fraction question, x square minus x plus 3 by x minus 1 dx, x cube plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx, and x square plus 2x plus 5 by x square plus 1 dx. So these are the integration of the, so do the assignment.